Hello everybody and welcome back to the Parrot Aviary. Today we're going to be talking about making a grass bed liner in your bird's cage. Now I done some research on it, done some videos, and I think it can work out quite well. It will be a self-sustaining ecosystem in a sense, and what I mean by that is their waste, aka their poop, will fall into the dirt and then just act as fertilizer and make the grass start growing. And then of course you're gonna have to trim down your grass or mow it in a sense. So we're gonna go through this process. I had this video made and somehow it got deleted, so bear with me. This is pretty much what your aftermath is going to look like. This would be what your cage looked like before. That top was the same way. So what I'm going to do is just show you what I used and then tell you how to go about it. So first things first, you're going to need some kind of a container or something to put over that grate. Now, what I used is I got this roll of plastic from work. I work at a plastic factory, but you could use pretty much anything. A little shallow tote or something that's going to fit in there all the way around the border, or plastic like I did. But the whole point is you got to create a box or a wall. Now you can see kind of how I done that on here. I literally spread the plastic across like so. It spreads out, and then I just curved it up on the wall. Now the second thing you're gonna need is, you can see it right here, puppy pads. And the reason for puppy pads is they absorb quite a bit of moisture and hold it. If you have dogs, you know what I'm talking about. So you create your base all the way around with the plastic, which I have, and then you have to evenly lay puppy pads down across that. And again, I have it coming up on an edge right here. It ain't so deep, but it's still quite a bit. And then you're gonna throw 2 to 3 inches of dirt evenly, as you see. Now, I got some grass from outside, and I can't rightly tell yet if it is already starting to grow, if it's dying off on me, or what. And then I got onto Amazon and bought some grass seed. And I'll put a clip in this of me kind of spreading out the seed. Obviously you just got to spread it out evenly, and then you got to put some topsoil back on top of it, and then you just got to keep it wet, moist. And it said you should start seeing growth in 2 to 5 days. So we shall see. So I am just gonna like evenly, spread this around. And then I have my bucket of topsoil that I am just gonna evenly spread on top of those seeds in there. And throw some water on it, and we will see day for day. And then I would recommend getting a spray bottle or some kind of spritzer. I've been just using my big cup here full of water and like throwing it randomly on there. I don't think it evenly is distributing, but again, all the water soaks down, and then those puppy pads catch that, and then it holds the moisture, so the roots and stuff still can pull from it. So I'm hoping it still works out. I'm not gonna try to make this video too super long. But I am going to wait a week now and see if we get some regular grass. Alright everybody, so this is day 2, and I'm already starting to get some little sprouts. Over here there's a whole patch starting to go up. Throughout the whole thing, it's slowly starting to get some little sprouts, so hopefully I'm doing something right, and hopefully by the end of the week this will more or less start becoming covered with more grass. The goal is the whole thing a complete grass bed, but I'm not sure. Maybe I done something wrong, maybe I done something right. We shall see. So this is day 3. I was gonna wait till the end of the week and like show you guys what it looked like on Monday, but the growth is impressive here. Quite a bit all over. So it's doing pretty good in my opinion, and I just figured I'd give you that little extra. Well everybody, I said that I was gonna wait until Monday, but here it is, Thursday. Life got the best of me, but I didn't forget about you guys. So pretty much a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, this is what I got going on in it. It's growing pretty good in some spots. I'm not sure what's going on. Like right here I got this little white bunch, but overall it's starting to fill in pretty good. I don't think I'll have no problems once it actually starts growing pretty tall. I mean, you got to treat it like an actual yard. You're gonna have to mow it or trim it down, which I'll probably just use scissors. You got this big old patch over here growing up out of the side, and then of course you see this on the front. But I just figured this would be a really cool idea. It makes it a little more real and natural for him. A few tidbits that I want to add. I'm probably going to eventually, like I got this tree down here which is kind of supporting, but I might actually, since I don't use this bottom part of the cage, add some supports under there just for the weight. I mean, probably 10-20 pounds in dirt and stuff right there, plus grass and the moisture, and then everything else in his cage. So be tentative on if your cage is starting to bow or anything like that. Spaz has to add his 2 cents. Huh? You gotta tell the people what's up, Spaz? Huh? You come tell them. You tell them what's up. At any rate, everybody, thank you very much for watching. There will be an update within a couple weeks. Let me know in the comments your thoughts, concerns, questions, and all of that good stuff. Have a good day.